What thing I don't have? I have this smartphone. I have me. I can do stuff that could go viral. Then what am waiting for? Sorry. Did you hear? I said the word sorry. What is that thing? Of that I'm waiting. I mean, what is my wait? Why I'm doing this? I can't wait. I should just do it now. Or if it's not happening, it's fine. It's fine. I mean, it's not necessary thing that that it will happen, but someday it will happen. But I can't wait for that someday. So this, I mean, whenever I try, I should try it in a way that I feel that I did it to that. So my try makes me satisfied. I mean, if I should kept waiting, then it's not like that. I should do now it in a way that I feel that I did something. Okay, let's explore things. Like this is a wheat crop. No, it's wheat crop. Yes, it's wheat. Sorry. I got that. I pronounce words incorrectly. It's happens when I try too fast. That, I mean, what do you know about me? What do you know about me? What I am doing? And no, I should do. I can do. No, that words of mine was just random, unnecessary, which I said. I mean, I feel like that was unnecessary. Maybe it was representing my accurate situation or things. What's going? There is an ant that is going somewhere. Okay, guys, what my exceptional thoughts from me to record vlog? I'm trying that thing. There is a toxic creature. Toxic in the sense, if that creature bites, then it hurts. So that's why. Otherwise, that creature is also beautiful in a way. Guys, that is wall. That starts in a way from that point, and that it goes there, and then it goes there, and then between there is a door, but not door, just empty place, and then that wall goes there and join it from there. So this is all the story of this wall. Maybe I didn't tell you. I couldn't tell you properly, but I tried my best. I will come back. What thing I don't have? I have this smartphone. I have me. I can do stuff that could go viral. Then what am waiting for? I should understand this concept. This day is the day, which is that day, which I am ideally thinking that I will do vlog with that energy this day, and I should do it now. Yes. Okay, there is a tree. 2 crows are sitting on it. Butterflies are flying around. Yes, I can say they are flying. Yes, 3 butterflies. One is there. I think she sat there. 2 are like flying here. They left that tree. And comes here. And I can notice their shadow too. Guys, it's time for me to talk to you. I mean, when I talk to you, basically inside my purpose is to engage you here, to stay you here, to make you feel like uh, like uh, like uh, like I know about your presence in this video. So basically this is, I mean, maybe inside I have other reasons too, but what I told you is this: I got tired. No, I didn't got tired in that sense, but somehow I got tired. But it's okay. I can continue this session. Maybe these my moves makes my, I mean, represent my situation. Guys, bye bye. Well, stay here with me. Stay here with me if you are here. Life is too fast. People are too fast. You guys watches the vlogs which are like so much that, like, they start from very energy. This happen, that happen. Yes, what this? No. Like the way I saw, like they represent it first some seconds, like like if I see their 3 seconds, like they are like that. So I'm trying to be that too. But for now, bye bye. We will meet tomorrow.